Kids Vision TV.
Hi kids, in this video I am drawing a mermaid and its long hair and fish. First I am drawing its eyes. Then I am drawing its face, its smiley face. I am drawing its face. I am drawing a flower on her head. Now I am drawing its hair, its long hair. I love long hair. Do you like long hair? Now I am drawing its neck and its hand. I am drawing its body and the second hand. Do you like my mermaids? Now I am drawing its tail. Let's draw with me. I am drawing a wave in her tail. Let's draw a hair. I love to draw a long hair mermaid. Now I am drawing a water drop. Now I am drawing a fish. A mermaid like fish too much. I'm gonna color it. Now color with me. First I am coloring its face with light skin color. Its cute face. Now I am coloring its hand and its neck. I am coloring its tummy. Pink color. I am coloring its chest. I am coloring its belly. Now I am coloring its tail. First wave, pink color. Fourth layer, pink color. First layer, yellow color. Second layer, yellow color. And the last one, yellow color. I am coloring its tail with yellow color and pink color. I am coloring its hair with yellow color. I love to color its hair. I love its long hair. Do you like? My mermaid looking so nice. Orange color. I am coloring a two shade of hair. Now I am coloring in a flower, purple color. I am coloring in a fish, dark green color. I am coloring in a drop of dark blue color.
Subscribe us for more videos.